Hello, everybody. It's great to be here to talk about our fourth quarter, 2020, which was a record quarter. Not just record from a production standpoint, where for the first time in our 60-plus year history, we produced over 500,000 ounces of gold in the quarter, but we also had our best safety performance ever in 2020. So more production, fewest lost time accidents in our history, an excellent close to 2020. It sets us up very well as we look forward into 2021, because we're getting strong contributions from several of our key mines. LaRonde, after 30 years, still our best contributor in terms of cash generation. Goldex, a record performance in Q4. So strong performance coming out of Quebec, a strong performance in Finland. Finland had a record year in 2020 in terms of gold produced. Meliadine, starting to ramp up tonnage. So we're starting to see the real potential of that asset. So a very solid quarter, not only from production, safety, but also cost. So we're in a good position as we go into 2021. We continue to grow our deposits at several of our key mines. That's resulted in an increase in reserves of about 12% in 2020. We've added the Hammond Reef project in Northern Ontario. We like that project in the pipeline. We're not in a rush to build it. We're continuing to optimize it. We're moving forward, Upper Beaver, and we're continuing that study. We have the recently acquired Hope Bay project from TMAC that is now within the portfolio, where we can put our best people on it, where we have the skills to see how that ultimately fits in. So not only do we have a really stable production base that continues to grow, we've got a robust pipeline. The strategy is to invest more in exploration. We're going to see a 40% increase in our exploration budget in 2021, up to over $150 million. So it ties in and connects with our strategy to optimize our existing assets, to move our key projects forward in the pipeline, and also to look at acquisitions where we can get in early on projects that have tremendous exploration upside and work them in patiently and at a measured pace into our project development process. We had some important and positive news on the project development front. We've approved for construction 2 key projects. The first project is the Canadian Malartic Underground project. We call it the Odyssey project. That was the result of exploration success as we drilled deeper on that property below the large open pit. That's an important project for Agnico and our partner. We're seeing the potential to extend the mine life at Canadian Malartic by about 17 years based on the current study. But the deposit is still wide open. At Amaruq, that project extends the life of Meadowbank. It brings higher grade gold into our mining plan, and that's going to result in significant production coming out of the Meadowbank complex as we move forward. So we're looking for over 20% growth from the existing producing asset base, but also from the project pipeline. Not only does it give us visibility over the next 5 years, but we've got very good visibility over the next 10 or 15 years. That's where we're allocating our best people. That's where we're putting our money to work, increasing exploration budgets and work a project pipeline in a disciplined, measured, and focused way.